Hi, I'm Catherine Story. Welcome to my channel, House of Story. Right now, I'm working on this year of 2024, and what am I working on? It's January. So, a big year last year, doing a lot of different shows, and also really getting in the sustainable field, which doesn't really seem new to me since I've been doing sustainability for my whole life. So, it's kind of a little strange to get excited about that because I've been doing it my whole life. So I don't know how I can get it's been exciting the whole time. So although I am carrying through with doing, I really am sort of pulling myself out to do ethical couture. And what that means to me is high-end, upcycled, recycled, sustainable clothing. Right now I'm not really doing anything that doesn't have a sustainable quality in it, in that collection. So for me, I like to have like a couple collections running, because for me, it bounces off. Like if I have an idea for that one, then it might translate over there. Same with if a client wants something special, I love that because it really opens up my mind to the possibilities of what I'm gonna create. It gives me a new suggestion. So with the ethical couture, I'm really looking at amazing, beautiful fabrics and that are dead stock. Do you know what dead stock means? It means that it was something that was never used. And so it's like the end of the stock from that designer or that collection, whatever it is. So I'm looking at doing that, as well as I'm still working with my sequin couture collections, which I sell to several different places. But I'm also looking at doing a specific resort collection of basics. And so here's what it is. Why do they need my basics? You can get basics at Target. What is going to make my basics different? Well, I'm going to design it for a woman like me, which I travel. I like to go all over. I like things you can roll them up. They're not going to wrinkle. And easygoing, feminine. So I am doing my research on, well, what is gonna make mine different? And I have a couple different ideas, like I'm gonna do my own print. And I'm excited to see how that plays out. I'm doing the research now. So basically in the fashion designer, like right now, next month will be all the shows in Europe. And the shows will be, all the designers will be showing fall 2024. I have decided to skip these shows. Number one is because my strength is really as a spring-summer designer. Yes, I do a small collection of winter pieces for my boutique and for my clients and the boutiques I sell to, one of a kind mostly. But I want to go to Europe, but where I feel like I have to give up something to actually go forward. So I'm gonna give up going to Europe. It's okay, Europe will be there. Europe will be there and I'll be stronger than ever. I'm gonna really look at what it is I'm spending and budgeting and really, listen, I've been doing this 25 years and because I'm creative, I'm like, oh, I can make that back. I'm just gonna get it all. Just that, I want the whole roll. I want the whole lot. You only have that much, I want it all. And that is great. I'm brave, I'm fearless, but also, and I don't really end up with a lot of stuff I don't need, but I feel like somebody kind of called me out, do I have a shopping thing? I don't buy clothes for myself, I buy fabric. I buy trims, textiles, I love it. So this is what I'm working on this year. I'm excited for it, and I'll have everything ready for March in Miami, probably earlier. So stay tuned. Thanks for being part of my journey, and DM me for any questions or anything you need. Please like and subscribe for more.